guys, Dan here with Mako Spear Guns. Here's a quick video on how to wrap your shooting line on your open muzzle, single roller muzzle, and double roller. So for your double rollers, you definitely want to use the Mako 1.9 mil jacketed shooting line. It doesn't have any memory, super strong, abrasion resistant. On your open muzzles, you can go either way. You can go mono or a 1.9 mil jacketed. For today's video, I'm using 1.9 jacketed. So let's have a look. Okay guys, here's the open muzzle. We're going to first start by attaching the 1.9 jacket to the forwardmost shark fin tab. The line's going to come down the barrel, and notice here where we get to the open muzzle. Notice I wrap the line underneath this tab right here and then come over the spear down into this groove. Or you can come under this tab or here and wrap over the spear and then down into this groove. This is important because this is what holds the spear in place. Once it drops down underneath the muzzle, it's going to come back down the length of the barrel, right back to your line release lever. You're going to wrap around the line release lever, and then it's going to go back towards the front of the gun, and here it's going to connect to either your reel line or your shot cord. If you're attached to the reel line, what you want to do before you load your bands is you want to come over here and you want to give a quick twist on that reel line, and that's going to tighten down this line right here on the open muzzle. We're going to wrap a single roller muzzle. First thing, again, we're going to attach that 1.9 mil jacketed to the forwardmost shark fin tab. Now we're going to come down to the muzzle, and notice here, we're going to stay in that groove right there. We're going to keep the line in this groove, then we're going to wrap it around here, and we're going to go down underneath this tab, then over the spear, and then back down underneath. Now again, you can come down this way and you could wrap the line under this tab if you want, and then come over this way. Either way is fine, but it's important that you make this wrap like this because this is what holds the spear in place. Once that wrap is made, it's going to go underneath the gun all the way down to your line release lever, wrap around your line release lever, and then you're going to come back to either your reel line or your shot cord. Okay guys, here's a double roller. Again, we're going to start down here with forwardmost shark fin tab, attach your 1.9 mil jacketed. We're going to come up to the double roller, and this is the same thing we did with the single roller. We're going to keep that line inside the groove there. Once it comes out, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it underneath this tab right here and then over the spear and then back down. Again, you can come this way and you can wrap it over under this tab and then over, then back. Either way is fine, but this is important because this is what holds that spear in place. Once you wrap it around that tab on the underneath side, come back up over the spear as it goes down underneath the muzzle. You're going to stay right down here in this channel right here. Keep it in that channel. From here, you're going to run down to your line release lever. Once you get to your line release lever, you're going to wrap back around and then come back down to either your shot cord or your reel line. Hey guys, thanks for taking time to view this. For more information on our high performance spearfishing gear, please visit our website at makospearguns.com. Dive safe.